Hello everyone, it's Zahid Kirmani here. Today we are going to talk about conscious mind and subconscious mind. Science has revealed that the brain has two parts. One is conscious mind and another one is subconscious mind. Like conscious mind is a creative mind, it's a wish mind, it's a desire mind, while as the subconscious mind is a programmed mind, it's a behavior mind. So, subconscious mind is a very powerful mind and it controls our life 95%. 95% of everything we do is coming from the subconscious mind. Let's suppose to give you an example what's the difference between conscious and subconscious mind. Let's suppose I'm just talking to you right now in front of the camera. I'm using my conscious mind to talk to you people, and I'm also working. You can see me, but I'm not using my brain, to control how I'm going to walk, to focus how I'm going to move, how I'm going to do those postures, because this is already in my subconscious mind. It is autopilot, it is getting executed automatically. So as I already told you, subconscious mind is a very very powerful mind. 95% of everything we do is coming from the subconscious mind. So if you want to install a new habit, if you want to become better at something, all you have to do is you have to work on subconscious mind. You should have to download that program in the subconscious mind. If you are going to do that, you don't need to use any kind of willpower to do that. For example, if you decide that I want to become a healthy and I want to do exercise continuously, first it is going to seem very difficult and you are going to struggle a lot, because the program is not in the subconscious mind. To install that program in the subconscious mind, you have to work hard, up to 60 days. Once you are going to cross the 60 days, after that you don't need any kind of willpower. You are going to exercise automatically. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this video, and I can see you next time. Thank you.